Is your Roblox not working smoothly or missing new features? That might be because you have not updated it yet. In this video, I will show you step by step how to update your Roblox app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right and use the search bar at the top and search Roblox. Look at the official app and tap on it. If an update button shows up instead of open, tap on it and wait for it to download and install. Once done, tap play to launch the updated Roblox app, and that's it. That's how you update Roblox on Android. Keeping your Roblox app updated ensures you get the newest features, fixes, and a smoother gaming experience. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.